If your iPhone has age restrictions that limit your ability to download and install apps or view certain content or watch videos, listen to music, etc., I'm going to show you how to disable those age restrictions on your iPhone so that you can use all of the features that are available to that iPhone. Now, the first thing we're going to do is open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, tap on Screen Time, scroll down again, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. From here, you'll be able to see all of the restrictions that could be set up on your phone. We can always disable those or change them if you just wanted to change the restrictions. For instance, if you go to iTunes and App Store purchases, this is currently set to in-app purchases and it's set to don't allow. So tap on it and switch this to allow. However, you'll be able to see it pops up with this screen time passcode. I'll walk you through the steps to basically bypass that screen time passcode as well if you forgot it in a second. So let me just enter in that screen time passcode, in my case just 1111. Now if I go back, you can see there are no restrictions on here, and I can go to App Store Media and see if there are restrictions on the videos or music or web content, etc. After you've gone through and disabled all those restrictions, you can also choose to disable them entirely by turning off content and privacy restrictions. But again, if you don't know that screen time passcode, tap the back arrow and tap Change Screen Time Passcode at the bottom. On here, you can choose to change it to something else if you wanted to, or tap Turn Off Screen Time Passcode. Of course, at this point, it's going to ask you for that passcode. If you don't know what it is, that's no problem. You can just tap Forgot Passcode. You're going to enter in your Apple account, your email address or phone number, as well as the password. It will email you a code just to be able to reset that password as long as you have access to the phone number or email address for that Apple account on there. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button and check out this video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one as well. Thanks for watching.